Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on that device by using the different methods. So at the very beginning let me show you how to easily get access to the IMEI number just by using the secret code. At the very beginning let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the phone icon in that corner, and let's use the following secret code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number just appears in front of you. In order to close this window, let's just simply tap OK, and now you can go back and start using your home screen. This time let me show you how to get access to this information by using the LG settings. So of course let's find the settings icon, then let's choose general. Right here you have to scroll down and choose about phone. Here you have to choose the status right here, and you may find the IMEI number of your device. So let's go back, and if you would like to find the serial number, let's choose the hardware info right here, and here you can find the serial number of the device. What's more, you can also read such stuff as Wi-Fi MAC address or Bluetooth address. Let me go back, and now you may use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.